Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log out on Monopoly Go, which is this one right here, okay? So basically, please open the application first. Let me just lower my volume right there because this actually sounds very loud whenever you start using it. Now let's just wait for it to load. It's very quickly, a minute or two should take it. And then with that one, remove all the ads right there. And as you can see, there isn't a direct option to log out. The only thing you have right now is these three bars on the top right. Please make sure you click on that one, and then make sure you click on the settings right here. Settings icon, and then you're gonna see account deletion. That's one option, and the last option should be connect account. Now, it might says connect account, doesn't says logout, right? But please do so. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna see disconnect. So the thing here is, it's not directly log out, because at the start of this game, whenever you just start using it, you're gonna ask us to connect it to Facebook, sign it with Apple, sign it with Gmail, etc. So technically, we're just signing out using our Facebook. Click on disconnect, and then click on disconnect again. And basically, that's how you logged out on Monopoly Go. Even though you can still play it as a guest, but your account has been logged out directly. Okay? And that's how you logged out using Monopoly Go on your phone. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.